Abantu abaningi bakwazi usazibiza ngoIsrael Magwe.
Yeah.
Kwiqiqi.
Yeah.
Israel Matsekezulu.
Yebo.
Awusitshele nje about rebranding before siya ekutheni ubani uIsrael uzalwa kuphi.
Kuze ngishintshe isibongo.
Yeah.
Originally mangisafunda ku primary.
Yeah.
Bengibiza ngoMatseke.
Yeah.
Matseke umama wami ongizalayo.
Isibongo sakhe lesi.
Isibongo sakagogo sidlulele kumama.
Okay.
Githi abatswana abakhatla.
Okay.
Yeah. And then alobola umama.
Yeah.
Alobola uMagwe. Ngesintu saseMzansi Afrika.
Yeah.
Mawushada ulobola.
Yeah.
Uthatha nabantwana.
Yeah.
Umthetho.
Ingqoli ihamba noSeyi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So mase bangishintshe ngenza standard 7.
Yeah.
So mase sengikhula ngihlangabezana nokudideka ukuthi kahle kahle ngubani mina.
Yeah.
So ngifune eyami identity original ukuthi
Yes.
ngubani awavela amaqiniso makube nguMagwe angaziswe ukuthi hayi uMagwe
Isibongo sakhe.
ngoba uMagwe was not my biological father.
Okay.
My biological father uJubet Sakhile Zulu.
Yeah.
Githi amabhaca githi.
Okay.
Abadabuka emzimkhulu.
Yes.
Original ebukhosini.
Yashawa induku lapha.
Yeah. Akudlalelwa la. So sengizibikile.
Yeah.
So kubalulekile ukuthi ubize ngesibongo esiright.
Yes.
Kuze nezinto zihambe kahle emsamo.
Yeah.
Singabantwana abafana thina. Siyazala sizala abafana. Abafana bethu sizobakhulisa ngezibongo ezirong.
Yeah.
Umkhulise ngesibongo se-stepfather kuhambe umntwana izinto azimlungeli. Umntwana uyafail esikolweni, umntwana uhlangabezana nenkinga, into zakhe azihambi kahle, isintu leso akaphumeleli. So kimi kubalulekile ukuthi ngithathe lesibongo lesi.
Yeah, esungqo.
Manje ngizithathe zoyi2.
Yeah.
Ngoba bangikhulise boyi2.
Yeah.
Ngikhulele kaMatseke.
Yeah.
Ubabami azange angikhulise ngoba wagula.
Yeah.
Ngikhanda.
Yeah.
Mangizalwa mina.
Yeah.
So angeke simblame.
Yeah.
Kodwa umkhulu ubabakhe ngithola mase ngingaka impilo mase ihamba ukuthi wasihlawula. Asihlawulela ingane yakhe.
Yes.
So kodwa endlini azange basazise lokho. Thina sazi nje ukuthi babethi agula.
Yeah.
Umona wefamily into ezifana nalezo. Ngizihambele mina ngazitholela leyo information. Ngathi ngiyazihlanganisa idemocracy yavuma ukuthi ngabiza ngezibongo zombili.
Yeah.
Into engashintshi eHome Affairs igama.
Yeah.
Ngeke umshintshe uIsrael.
Yeah.
Angeke umshintshe uSipho. Kodwa isibongo yashintsha kodwa kufuneka ama-affidavit.
Yeah.
Uvumile uMagwe bekasaphila. Ngamsayinisa ngathi ngibhalile la ukuthi wena uyavuma ukuthi ngiyashintsha ngoba awungizalanga. Yes or no? Yes.
Yeah.
No mama ngiyavuma mntwanami. Vele uZulu wena.
Yeah.
Neyami affidavit.
Yeah.
Approve. I'm comfortable.
Awuzweke. Before mhlambe siqhubekele phambili kakhulu. Ngicela nje ungibalele ama shows mhlambe awu ngoba maningi kakhulu.
Yeah.
Ungibalele nje awu10 or less.
Yeah.
Okuyiwona owabona ewunqa phambili kuwo wonke ama show owenzile.
Siqala la siqale khona.
Yeah.
Yizo.
Yeah. So yizo yona yokuqala owayenza mawuphuma ejele.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was the first.
But before buwenza theater but sisazoya lapho.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kazlam of course.
Yeah.
Season 1 up to season 4.
Yeah. Sebenza no Charlie Sapadin.
Number.
Yeah.
With Donovan March.
Yeah.
Quizzical Pictures.
Yeah.
Tsotsi.
Kusimalanga.
with Gavin Hood.
Yes.
Four Corners,
Yeah.
Ian Gabriel. Number series.
Yeah.
La ngihamba khona nge-wheelchair.
Yeah.
Beyond the River. NoLemogang Tsipa.
Yeah.
Makasafika eJozi.
Ilana nishaya khona i-canoe.
Yeah,
Yeah.
paddling.
Yeah.
iDusi.
Yeah.
First grader
Mm-hmm.
eKenya.
Yeah.
Nama American.
Yeah.
First grader. Yeah.
Bese kuba iGomora.
Komora.
Bese sivala ngonikiwe.
Bese sithi nikiwe.
Iyiblessing abayithandayo abantu.
Jerusalem.
Jerusalem. Iyiblessing abayithandayo abantu lapha eyazi yashawa namangamla.
Yile nginawe sikhuluma ngethenda.
Yeah.
Ngithe man. Eyami le thenda le. Umokoliwe la.
Limokotsi mo.
Umshikashika yonke lento man. Fosaka. Awachithwa lamanzi.
ISouth Africa yonke ithi akekho umuntu osho lelo gama njengawe.
Angazi mina hayi ukuthi ngalisho ngi-aim something.
Yeah.
Mina ngidlala i-character
Yes,
manginikwe
yes.
umsebenzi.
Yeah.
Ngiziprepare ngendlela yami nge-experience yami.
Yeah.
Ngizitranslate i-dialogue yami ngiyi-one endini before ngizoya esetini kusasa. Ngiphila nabantu, ngiphila estradini kakhulu.
Yeah.
Ngizibeke phansi.
Yeah.
Ngiphila nabantu ukuthi ngihlale ngi-authentic and relevant.
Yeah.
Nguzwe ukuthi what is the latest lingo.
Yeah.
Kuthiwani manje.
Yeah.
Abantu bafunani, abantu ba-expectani.
Yeah.
And then ngihlonipha abantu kakhulu
Yeah.
ngomsebenzi wami ngoba abantu bayazi ukuthi ngiyingwenya. So ma uyingwenya vele une pressure.
Yeah.
Yonke into oyenzayo kumele ube unqobo.
Yeah.
Mangingaba nganqoba yabuza kanti manje lapha besokwenze njani manje.
Yeah.
Angifuni leyo nto leyo. I think i-weak point yami ukuhlambalazeka.
Yeah.
Angenza umsebenzi bese kusasa ngiyahlambala. Mangingawenzanga kahle ngiyabatshela ngithi lo angwenzanga kahle siyawuphinda. Siyayiphinda lesini le. Ngiyazizwa egazini mangishayile.
Yeah.
Mangingashayanga ngiyazizwa.
Uzalelwapi uIsrael nokukhula ukhule kanjani?
Israel Matseke Zulu aka Ma Orange.
Yeah.
The GP, Ghetto Professor King Manamune. Mina I was born, bred and buttered in Alexandra Township.
eGomora.
10 number 82.
Yeah. It's actually.
TS 10 Slaughter.
Yeah.
Kolangizalwa khona mina.
Yeah.
I was born in a one room. Ifamily yami la sihlala khona i-headquarters yefamily yonke.
Yeah.
Yiyo uMagriza wethu bokuhuye ophethe lamanye ama-sub branch wefamily. Baphuma kithi baba expanda baye eMapitori baye eMasoweto bayenzani banzani. Ngikhulele lapho mina.
Yeah.
My whole life is Alexandra.
Ukukhula kwakho bekunjani ekhaya besinjani isimo?
Isimo besibheda mntaka baba.
Yeah.
Angifuni ukucamba maka.
Yeah.
Isimo ukukhumbule sizalwa kanje ubabethu uyagula. Ubabethu akekho. Abantwana banabo baba mabashawe estradini or kunento abazifunayo ngiyocela kubabami or ngiyotshela ubabami. So thina sikhule sifundiswa ukuthi asinabani singahambi sifunana nomunye umuntu ongekho. Sizimele njengoba sinje siphelele. Sikhuliswa ugogo thina. Mina ngikhula nosisi wami hand in hand. Mase esikolweni we hold hands together.
Yeah.
We walk together. Sikhule sidla iplate eyi-1.
Yeah.
Akadla omunye angekho. Masithenga incwadi mabanganamali usithengile incwadi ezi-2 bathenga incwadi eyi-1. Bathengela umntwana entombazana i-priority number 1. Bathi wena umfana uzadabalaza.
Yeah.
Asenzele usisi wakho. So usisi wami uye ngokumele ngivume ngithi hayi manenzelena.
Yeah.
Ku right mina ngizabona iplan.
Yeah.
Sikhuliswe futhi umkoni umkhulu wami ngingamkhohlwa.
Yeah.
Singamshiye emva.
Yeah.
Umkhulu wami uFrance no.
Yeah.
Ke mokoni wa Ntshidikgolo. buya eMarapiani huye bokuyi breadwinner
Yes.
efamily but akafundanga
Yeah.
ukumapendani kuyi garden boy
Yeah.
mara leyo 30 rand leyo 50 rand kumele survive ngayo
Yeah.
and aphuza kakhulu
Yeah.
kakhulu kabuhlungu athukana futhi
Yeah.
bakadakiwe asikhumbuze ukuthi abo baba bethu bagula ngekhanda
Inkosi yami.
asikhumbuze ukuthi sidla yena bekayithanda le bekazikwa
Yeah.
nezingane zakhe ziyamazi bekanabangane abaningi I think 13 so ngumntwana okhula kanjalo and then ngibe ne responsibility at the early age
Yeah.
at the age of 7 bese ngihasila ngithengisa ama peanuts ngithengisa ama apple lapha nepen ngithengisela insizwe ezibuya eMarapiani yizo ezidominate ibusiness lapha nepen eAlexandra ngithengisa amabhiya ama apple sometimes kuza amaphoyisa abathathe ngakhulela ngathi ithi ngizifundise impilo eyokuphumelela ngoba mina akekho umuntu ozongenzela omunye umuntu osikhulisile uAunt wami
Yeah.
usisi kababa uFilda Zulu Aunt wami was a domestic worker bonke kithi ama domestic worker akuna profession kithi
Yeah.
akuna doctor akuna phoyisa akuna nurse bonke basebenza emakhishini either umapendana or garden boy so at the age of 11 nganikwa i50 rand yokugcina ngikhumbula uAntu amanginike i50 rand asebenza eSandton emakhishini ngiyofuna imali athi mntana kabhuti wami 50 rand yokugcina le awuphinde uze la uzongifuna imali hamba uyenza something ngale 50 rand ngayothenga ipacket yama peanuts ngismoke sara mina me street vendor bese ngene emabhasini kusahamba amabhasi lapha eAlexandra lapha besine itende zethu lapha
Yeah.
ngigcine sengine stand sami
Yeah.
mawuthengiselwa yimi ibusiness yakhe yagijima
Yeah.
bebangilwela mina ngumntana onjalo ke
Yeah.
so fike ke nalesikhathi sokuthi siyoganga ke thina
Yeah.
ngoba eAlexandra we were groomed to be criminals ama role model ama gangster
Yeah.
ngiyayisho namanje igeneration yethu
Yeah.
akunakuthi uzophumelela or uyodlala ibhola or uyodlala itennis beba criticize kuze ube indoda waziwe udume ube nesithunzi uhlonipheke kumele uyobamba abelungu and ukhumbuleke masikhula singabafana sifuna abobaba laba abama doctor abekho abana passion yokukhulisa abantu abafana nathi si capture igebengu zinemizi zasakhele silala lapho ukudrive ngiyofunda lapho umuntu osebenzayo 9 to 5 angeke anginike imoto yakhe angifundise ukudrive isigebengu yise singifundisa ukudrive siyangigruma siyangiprepare for the next future for i-empire yakhe izinto engizifunayo ngumntwana omfana engibone ukuthi sizongisebenzela makuzofika isikhathi sokuthi ngibe nemoto sengizokwazi ukudriver loya wase next door unelakhi ubabakhe unemoto mina ngiphuma endlini engana luxury no television no bicycle no roller skate no skateboard nothing it's a painful and a shameful family yalwiwa yaphuzwa ngadecide ukuthi ithi ngingasalala ekhaya at the age of 11 ngoba ngaphandle bengithola ipeace besinomkhukhu thina sihlala lapho laba esihluphekile
Yeah.
bese siyakhulisana ukuthi ngelinye ilanga kuzolunga so ngumntwana onjalo but at the same time ngikhule ngiresponsible
Yeah.
ugogo wami usifundisile though waphuma ku standard 6 ase Roman Catholic Church usifundise isonto asifundisa ukubambana
Yeah.
athi ningabantwana bomuntu ukuthi lo unobabakhe ayisebenzi nizobulalana thandanani
Yeah.
sizanani wena ubhuti omkhulu la ekhaya
Yeah.
umalume ubaba umkhulu futhi umntwana
Yeah.
so ugogo wami bengimtshela yonke into noma ngiphuma kuyoganga bokungana ukuthi ngingakhuluma amanga ngoba mangiphethe imali bayongibuza ngiyithathaphi le mali ngithi gogo singena endlini yomlungu thina sayiphula sathatha ama TV sayiwathengisa le mali ibuya lapho ayikho into engizoyenza emhlabeni
Yeah.
umntana onjengami angina choice okay bengirizina yonke into mangiyenza ngiyarizina ukuthi why mele ngenze so
Yeah.
and then ngaboshwa ke ngina 12 ngicala ukuboshwa ngina 12
Yeah.
12 years bengishaya standard 5 inkinga icale lapho ene kuze kucale lenkinga le bengine role model egangayo kubo bame kahle kunezimoto kunama workshop uphila kahle mara bekaganga uye oyenze ukuthi siyoganga so ngabona another side yakhe ukuthi lo muntu lo ngimthatha njenge role model ukuthi ubhuti omkhulu
Yeah.
okumele angiprotecte angihambise
indlela.
ekukhanyeni
Yeah.
mara ngathola ukuthi umuntu ocruel elifini umuntu ogreedy ngabona ukuthi hayi angina choice akunabani nami ithi ngijoin umzabalazo then sakhulela kule environment ye crime 12 years 14 years ngazoboshwa for the last time mangna 22 1995 ngagwetshwa 1996 ngaphuma 1999 till today mangifike ejele ngadlala ibhola bangibangisa ibhola lami ngoba ibhola liranwa ama gangster kumele kube naloko ozokwenza kuze bakuthande ugijima efield mawungakwenzi lokho
Awudlali.
one side hliziyo yami yababhlungu ngaliyeka ngadlala igamboots I'm talented I'm multi-talented
Yeah.
I've played tennis I'm a pantsula I was a scout uma gogo wami uye wangithumela kuma scout
Yeah.
athi mfana uma uphuma esikolweni gogo wami mangiphuma esikolweni bekangavumi ukuthi ngothela ilanga bekangimela mangifika immediate endlini athi hamba uyofuna i-youth club
Yeah.
ngithi yini leyo athi uzoyazi ukuthi yini leyo
Yeah.
ngizohamba ngiyifuna so I was lucky though we were a nightmare family but my grandmama was very brilliant very intelligent nama homework besenziswa huye bekasihlalisa la athi fundani ngifuna ukuzwa nifunda nesikolweni ungafundele enhlizweni angifuna ukusizwa lesilungu umunye ugeza izitsha umunye yasula bekubantwana besingabantwana esaziwayo ukuthi kwashaya u7 asifuneke ngaphandle kokuthi bekashaya
Yeah.
bekashaya straight hayi manga umxhosa my grandmama was Xhosa Tswana
Yeah.
shaya kakhulu mina futhi bebangishaya bangibulale mabashaya mina bebaphuma bonke mamkhulu mamncane ngithi hey
Yini ebiyenza lokho ukuthi makuza kuwe i-treatment ingafani?
makuza kimi I think bebangigruma ngibe indoda eqinile
Yeah.
mangishayiwe mina estradini bebangibuyisela ngiyangibona ngiyi-light skin cabanga ngisasemncane I was soft bengumntwana yabo mara ngi-hardcore ngaphakathi
Yeah.
so abazali bami abangikhulisile baveze the inside ukuthi ngiyibeke la mabangishayile bathi ukushaya kanjani athi siyombona makube intanga yakho
Yeah.
uyabuyela uyolwa
Yeah.
makamdala kuwe siyocabana naye
Yeah.
ay leyo nto leyo ingenze ukuthi azange ngashawa intanga yami
Yeah.
angifuni ukukhuluma manga angiclaim futhi bengishaya kakhulu ngoba bazongishaya kithi
Yeah.
ngikhuliswe abomama
Yeah.
it's a family dominated by women abafana bokuyimi
Yeah.
umkhulu wami and my younger brother
ungasho mhlawumbe ukuthi ngoba mina uma ngikubheka uyabona nje mangiqala ngikubona ku TV ngangithi mina hey utsotsi lo
Yeah.
ikhuzu
Khrinamele. Ikhrove, niro. Into edla cheese ngenkani.
ikhronamela
Yeah.
so uma ngikubheka ubukeka uyihumusha uyi-out engasaba ngisho nokuthi ngihlangane naye endaweni
Yeah.
emnyama kodwa uma ngabe ngikulalela you speak a lot of wisdom
Yeah.
amagama akho owakhulumayo isikhathi esiningi amagama akhayo
Yeah.
amagama akhombisa i-experience amagama okuhlakana
Yeah.
kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi ukhule kanzima kangaka ushaywa uqhathwa untshontsha imoto wenza zonke lezi zinto negative but impilo yakho yini le eyenzeka ukuthi udecide ukuthi eyakhe impilo ayizukuba ile ndlela kodwa uzoyiphendula ibe ngalendlela ekuyiyona namhlanje ngoba ngesilungu bathi you are a household name yini le eyenzeka ukuthi udecide ukuthi
Transformation.
ngiyiguqula ke yami impilo ya
Mr. Mtabela, ngikutshele nje straight.
yeah
I-betrayal. There's no loyalty and honesty amongst gangsters. Singazenza izinto sonke sihambe soganga sonke. Ngi-experience into ezinzima. Kusho ukuthi benginokuganga nabantu uthola ukuthi bazalwa kahle emafamilini.
yeah
U-anti wami bekathanda ukungitshela ukuthi i-crime i-expensive.
yeah
Ugange nomuntu kanti uphethe 5,000 esikhwameni. Aphume sale thina sihluphekile.
yeah
So imizi ayifani.
yeah
Ngibheke la ngiphuma khona mina. Ngathi angiphinde ngikompete nomunye umuntu.
yeah
Githi aba afford bail. Even noma ngathi 500. Ekhothe bebangibuza bathi okay masingathi sikunika ibail. Hey yipho ngayi afford. Ngithi hayi mhlambi 500 iye ngahlanganisa bathi ungazosihlanyisa wena. Inkomo engazala umuntu.
yeah
Ngithi that's how poor we are.
yeah
That's why I'm standing in front of the magistrate.
yeah
That's why I do what I do.
yeah
Then enemasola lapha ngaphakathi abezi bazokubona
yeah
amajita. Nalaba obaworshipayo laba abagrumile
yeah
abakujuthile to become that gangster. Bakujikela
yeah
wedwa lapha.
yeah
Ngithi yazini ayisebenzi lento. Bengiphila impilo yalabantu.
yeah
Bengiphilela bona ngithi ngifuna ukuprovela bona ukuthi anami nginja.
yeah
Okay good. Bengihinja vele.
yeah
But it's not a master plan.
yeah
Ejele ngidecide a master plan. Yabona manje ngishaya engqo. Yabona leyo ganga mntaka baba. Abaningi babuyele ngibatshelile ngathi bayobuyela.
yeah
Mangifoma idrama eSun City. Ngifome i-theater organization, a movement. Abanqobi.
phakathi ejele
Yes, abanqobi theater organization.
yeah
I started by forming a campus dance. My vision was to have Pansula, fashion designing.
uyifunda zonke lezi zinto yini yakwenza ukuthi usewusejele ufuna ukuzenza is it because ugogo wayekade ethe hamba yocinga youth
Ngasikhathi ngisasemncane
yeah
ngiloadile,
yeah
ngiloade wonke amatalent.
from
Ngiloke ngiganga.
from ama youth ama
Yeah,
organization
youth center.
la ugogo ayekade ethamba kuyo.
Yeah. Mangifike ejele ngibonile ukuthi bengiphila impilo yabanye abantu.
yeah
Ithi ngiphile isifiso sakagogo.
yes
Yazi my brother abantu abagangayo.
yeah
I was happy wena kuphela. Mangiboshwa. Kuhethe kusisi wami, kuhethe kumama wami, kuhethe kuanti wami, kuhethe kugogo, kuhethe kama siblings. Yibo ababa namahloni. Mele bahamba amacourt. Funeka imali abanamali ngiyaba expose.
yeah
So kwafika isikhathi ngakhathala. Ngathi angiphinde ngihlukumeze umuntu emhlabeni. Angifuni umuntu angizwele ubuhlungu azongibona eSun City angizele ama-teen staff, angizele ugwayi, angizele insipho. I think it goes together with a man's pride.
Yeah.
Angifuni ukuhlupha umuntu.
Yeah.
Ngibahluphile. Angisungu umntwana ohluphayo, angiceli futhi mina. Ngiyazenzela yonke into bayangazi kithi. Mangicela uwazi ukuthi hayi kusuke kukubi ngempela, there's something wrong. I'm a provider.
Yeah.
I was groomed like that. So ngazi introspect, self introspection. Ngathi lempilo engiyiphilayo ngiyophelela phi? Ngibona abomama abashawa yi-stroke eSun City. Basithanda thina futhi. Singama favorite. Thina labesigangayo futhi abomama bethu. Bane soft spot. So azange ngiphinde ngifuna ukubona umama aphathwa ama high blood aphathiswa yimi. Or ahamba inyanga. Hey, naku ngiyekhoti, naku ngiyahamba 25 years. No. It's over. Ngcono ngiyoba ibhari ngaphandle.
Yeah.
Mara ngizoba ibhari eClever.
Yeah.
I believe njengomntwana omfana I was born to uplift my family.
Yeah.
Ngiyi-representation ye-family, ngiyi-ambassador ye-family.
Yeah.
Ngiyiphila nge-strength.
Gogodla.
Ngumalume namhlanje.
Yeah.
Kunezinto okumele zenzwe ekhaya. Ngiyabona ukuthi ngabe ngingekho kithi. Eish. It was a problem.
Ngabe ngiright yini uma ngabe ngithi ngokukulalela kwami umuntu owaba nomthelelo omkhulu empilweni yakhe ekuthini uguquka ube umuntu olungile emva kokuphila endaweni eyayikuvumela ukuthi uphile impilo engalungile ukuthi lo muntu kwaba ugogo.
Yebo.
Yeah.
Honora, Esther Nozipho, Elizabeth Matseki.
Yeah.
Uye.
Asikhulume ke manje
Okay, along the journey,
yeah.
Angithi bafikile ama associates.
Yes.
Mara sengikhuluma ngembewu.
Yes.
Eyatshalwa.
Yes.
Lenza ukuthi sihlale phansi mina nawe. Ugogo wami mina wangitshela ukuthi wena uyo actor wena. Ngisasemncane. Angitshela ngabo Gibson Kent.
Yeah.
Ngingabazi.
Yeah.
Azange ngihlangane no Gibson Kent.
Yeah.
Angitshela ngabo Ken Gambu. Athi angazi ungabathola lapha labantu.
Yeah.
Uhlangane nabo mfana.
Kusho ukuthi ikhona lento ayibona ukuthi lo mntwana uyi artist.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Angithi ngihlala bengine group all the time eJardini.
Yeah.
Bengikwazi ukuyoganga namhlanje. Mangibuya sidlala igambutse eJardini.
Yeah.
Sasa ngiye Tennessee. Sasa ngenza okunye. Sasa traditional dance. Bengizihlanganisa zonke lezi zinto.
Yini ongayitshela mhlawumbe umzali obuke le podcast namhlanje ukuthi kumele umzali abe njani in terms of ukuba observant akwazi ukubabona abantwana bakhe ukuthi amakhono abo alele kuphi mhlawumbe bese bagqugquzela ngaleyo ndlela.
Umzali kuyomele angaphikisi isiphiwo somntwana. Sesiphumile kulesa sikhathi sakudala sokufoster abantwana ukuthi hamba yoba uteacher. Kanti umntwana akazalelwanga ukuthi abe uteacher. My son is a producer.
Yeah.
My son is a singer. My son is a music maker.
Unabantwana abangaki?
Nginabantwana abayi-2. Oyi-1 asweleka 2015. uTebogo. Ngisele ngoNhlanhla. Mara kubalulekile ukuthi ngimbale naye.
Yeah.
Nginabafana abayi-2.
Yeah.
So ayikho into engizoyenza uthanda umusic.
Yeah.
Ayathi ukuthi ngimthengele i-equipment ye studio.
Yeah.
Though i-industry ngiyayibona i-dangerous.
Yeah.
Kunama drugs. Kunento eziningi nje engingazithandi njengomzali. Ukuya ngami nje bengingathi aqhubeka esikoleni futhi.
Yeah.
Ayofunda umsebenzi wezandla. Ayofunda ukakha upholstery skills. Ngoba akekho safe. Kwenzeke angene ngenye indlela le mina engangenanga ngayo. Kule industry le. Mara into engizoyenza. Mele ngimnike ne guidance, ngiyamguide, ngiyamtshela ama danger we industry. Ukuthi kunama drugs, kune exploitation. Uyo DJ mahala, basazokubhayizisa mfanami. Mara ngoba unobaba okuse industry.
Yeah.
Izinto mhlambe zizaba ngcono asithembe enkosini.
yeah
nami ngizayenza emandleni ukuthi eyakho indlela ingafani neyami ibe yinde ubone sowulimele ukuthi ngabe azange wamosha isikhathi wabambelela lapho. I think umzali kumele observe umntwana makaphiwe ngokucula acule lo mntwana and then umzali abheke ama-danger ukuthi ucula nobani uculisa ubani. Nazi izitori siyazizwa manje ezabo Yvonne Chaka Chaka abo Brenda Fassie abo bani akusime ngibhalele ngoma angicreditwanga mara sikhula sazi ukuthi kuye. So painful. And lo sisi role model khona umntwana othi ngifisa ukufana nalo mama. Kanti lo mama lo undlule ebunzimeni. Umfundise nomntwana ukusurvive ama-vulture nama-shark. Tshele straight. Ukuthi this is a dog eat dog world. Ngamfihleli, ngamtsheli in parables. Ngamtsheli in parables in Roman figure, umtshele direct ukuthi kunje emhlabeni. Azi nana the day azoyenza ukuthi baba mungitshelile. Ayenze ready ukuthi nami bangitshela bathi uzoyetshela. Ukhokho wami bengangitshela. Athi mfana muthanda imali uzoboshwa uye etshele yo ngithi hayi gogo kwamanje ayikho into engizoyenza. Ithi ngihambe le jeni asiguqe ngamadolo sithandaze ukuthi uNkulunkulu angibusise ngingahambi isikhathi eside ngingashoni ngisasemncane.
Ngiyakuzwa ukhuluma ngendaba kaNkulunkulu.
Engifisa
ukukwazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu udlala indima engakanani empilweni yakho ngoba ngeke ngakuzwe eqaleni ukhuluma ngesonto thizeni enanilihamba noma nandlala kulo ama games noma enanenza kulona iyouth. Isonto noNkulunkulu kudlala indima engakanani empilweni yakho?
Kudlale indima enkulu mfoka baba. Angazi amasonto amanje ukuthi ayayidlala leyo ndima. Mina isonto kimi was a house of hope. Isonto line stage, linama piano, linama guitar. After proper service, a regular Sunday service, besingahambi thina esontweni. Siya perform. Si develop ama play. And I was a camp lover. Isonto bengilihamba belisihambisa thina ama camp. Besamba i-camp guy 4 a year. Kolomasvala 10 days siyahamba. Bengixolela ukungaya esikolweni for i-camp. Ngithi gogo mina ngingamane ngiye campini ngingaya esikolweni. Ngoba ecampini bese showcase ama talent. I-platform. Ukuya after is very expensive. Bomake theater bengiyobathola mina bo Gibson Kent. Abombongeni game. Bengimncane. So eyami platform beyisesontweni. So bokunomlungu bathi Mary Griffin. Ruval Baptist Church. Ngale ngase Louis Potter opposite ngase Doll House. We church there. Lo mama lo bokuyi activist. Womlungu. Bekasenzisa ama player political. Asenzisa ama play. I remember my first play. I think I was 8. Besikhuluma ngoFather Christmas ukuthi uya esabapini for uchicken gel. It was a musical play. Abanika ama toys. What about Alex? It was political. But it was reality.
Yes.
Asenzisa ama play with Jesus Christ. Athanda ukuthi you can make it, is that Israel, you can do it. Angigcizelela mina ukuthi wena kumele uyenze lento.
Ngoba ikhona into kade ayibona.
Ikhona ama talent scout aphiwe. I'm a talent scout. I capture the talent, I nurture, I groom, I perfect. I sell the talent. Uyasazi boss isiponsor. Uyazi ngihlala nginengane ngisupply ngezilethe ebhomu. I've been doing that for my whole life. I still do it now.
Ngoba nakugazi lami wawuyingxenye ye
script development,
script producing,
story development. Ngabile ngizela ngazopitcha nabo abo Perry Becky. Manyo actor mina is not only about the script. I'm a script developer, location scout, sifuna talent kuwe, sifuna music. So ngiyazifaka, I'm versatile.
yini ongayisho mhlawumbe kumbukeli obukele ekhaya okwazi wena njenge actor
Yeah.
uyamangala manje uthi hawu lo mtshita kanti ube khona nakuyilokhuzana naku script development segazi lami
Yeah.
yabo yini mhlawumbe ongayisho kuma artist amasha namadala mayelana nokuthi umuntu angangeni nje a-actor for 50 years wangena u-actor namhlanje usa-actor
Aze ashonele sethi. Ashona nganamali futhi. Simkolekele.
Yeah.
Ngaphambi ngiphendule leyo.
Yeah.
Ithi ngicedelele kaNkuluNkulu.
Yeah.
Ubuclever
Yeah.
bokuqala
Yes.
ukwazi uNkulunkulu.
Yeah.
Ngibeka ngesiclever manje angithi bathi ukuhlakanipha kokuqala
Yeah.
ukumesaba uJehova.
Yes.
Abo clever bakholiwe.
Yeah.
You seek for God because you are always in trouble.
Yeah.
Mele siyoganga manje uNkulunkulu bengimtshela every day namhlanje ngiyoganga uNkulunkulu namhlanje. Ngifuna umlungu ayiyeke nje imoto makufika mina yazi ayiyeke iduma.
Yeah.
Umsebenzi wami ubelula. I'm telling the truth. Angithengi isikele emse podcast or
Yeah.
mic or nama camera. I want people to understand how powerful is God
Yeah.
and faith. Mawazi uNkulunkulu uzoba nama morals,
Yeah.
uzoba nama cultural values,
Yeah.
uzoba ne conscious. Umuntu ongasaba uNkulunkulu brain damage akana nhliziyo. Umuntu osengasaba uNkulunkulu wenza noma yini.
Yeah.
Ungadubula umuntu manje awumsaba uNkulunkulu awucabanga ukuthi there's a man above.
Yeah.
You will suffer those consequences. So mina ke ene ugogo wami azange ngambona esontweni. Mara bekasikhapha
Yeah.
asishaya futhi athi wanga esontweni awudli.
Yeah.
Ngithi why laba bangayi naba bajive bawothelila ngathi wena akusuyilaba.
Yeah.
So ifamily yami ikholiwe futhi ngithi manginenkinga ngithi gogo wayesihlupheka next door badla kahle.
Yeah.
Athi mfanami leyo iyekele kuNkulunkulu.
Yeah.
uNkulunkulu khona wena uNkulunkulu umele umazi whether uyathanda or awuthandi.
Yeah.
So participate kakhulu kuma religious activations as a camp goer. 90% it was Christianism. 10% ke logo kujiva.
Yeah.
But the priority was about church.
Khona manje?
So manje, okay, I do get invites in church. I tell them, I give them this module ukuthi sebenzisani isonto
Yeah.
ukushowcase amathalente wenu. And then let's go to that question. Enye leyo ukuthi what do I say to the artist?
Yeah.
Ngiyayazi uyibuza from experience.
Yes.
You've been long in the industry.
Yeah.
I've been long in the industry.
Yeah.
And then you see lack of progress in many
Yeah.
and sadness.
Yeah.
This is how I address that issue. Growth, it's a personal responsibility.
Yeah.
Success is not a calling, it's a choice.
Yeah. Success is not a calling, it's a choice.
To be a producer
Yeah.
or to become a filmmaker or to become rich, uyi artist,
Yeah.
it's a decision. Akusokuthi wena uzoshutha kuwonke lama production agcwele e-TV, ushuthe ku-Showmax, ushuthe ku-Netflix, mas-switch i-TV sibona wena, masithi ngapha, uwe. No, that doesn't make you wealthy or successful. And then singakhohlwa ukuthi i-success ayina the same meaning to us people.
Kubo bonke abantu.
Maybe when a success yakho was to move from KZN to Johannesburg and be a celebrity. Then today you're a celebrity for when you are successful.
Yeah.
Abanye abantu ama-visionary, ama-missionary.
Yeah.
Maybe mina i-success was to come from one room and become rich and prove ukuthi where you come from doesn't determine your destination. Or maybe I want to own my own production. I want to change the game and save lama artists amanye abawabhayizisayo abangakwazi uku-explore and become producers. So you grow yourself. Akunamuntu ozokunika le opportunity.
Yeah.
Sizokunika le opportunity if you prove yourself.
Yeah.
Phela ngifike ejele mina ngabhala.
Yeah.
Angina matric. Angibuye varsity. But ngathi thing is proven. Mhlambe kanti vele khona lento. Ngiyashaya mina iball pen.
Yeah.
Ngishaya inuki ink.
Yeah.
Mangizobhala nginukelwa i-ink ngingakabambi iball pen. But kunabantu engihlangane nabo elifini.
Yeah.
Abangiperfectile.
Yes.
Abo Julius Mabunda, the late, he was a film writer in prison. After ijeni yabo Mary Griffin, yamasonto, yonke lento le.
Yeah.
It's very important to mention them. He was a writer, ngithi ubhala nathi ngibhala amafilimu ngithi iyoyenzeka kanjani ifilimu ngoba siboshiwe. Athi mawuphume ku standard 1 ngithi standard 9. Athi yazi ngabe uye esikolweni wena. Hey. Bozoba wrong. Ngithi hayi mhlawumbe bengizohlanya. Ngoba bengizohlakanipha kakhulu.
Yeah.
Ngi-writing average. Athi uyakwazi ukubhala. Ngithi angazi. Nginika iphepha neball pen ngibone ukuthi ngiyakwazi rangwazi.
Yeah.
Siphusha isigwebo. Iboshwa zilele siyabhala.
Yeah.
Sibhala ngamakhandlela, sibhala ngama-ball pen, phela kuna proper stationery, akuna incwadi zokubhala.
Yeah.
Anything that you can write on. Cut box, yini, siyabhala. Bese ngibonisa yena ukuthi phela ngibhalani.
Yeah.
A stop ukubhala. Athi umbhali. Athi lento ibhalayo ngathi iyoyenzeka kusasa mabavula la.
Yeah.
Isikhathi asikho. Ngibhala into ezosave wena awusabuyi wena la ejele.
Yeah.
Nami angisabuyi.
Yeah.
Sizobuya sesihamba nama minister nama president sizoba checka ukuthi badla kaba right.
Yeah.
Wena ngibambe la. Then ngachinja the whole scenario.
Yeah.
Ngafoma this theater bebangayibelieve yaba successful instant. Ngaba an instant hit on the spot. Mara ama challenges ahlala khona. Abanye abakuthandi.
Yes.
Including the management of the prison.
Yeah.
Khona bebangangifuni. Bathi ngizenza ngathi ngihlakaniphile ngobani mina ngizochange iboshwa.
Yeah.
Why ngingachanganga ngaphandle ngizochange ejele.
Yeah.
Cabanga bakutshela lawo magama.
Yeah.
Uthi ngifuna ukujiva bathi uhluleka ukujiva ngaphandle.
Usufuna uzojiva la.
Ufuna ukuzojiva ejele.
So mfowethu sesikhulume kakhulu ngokuthi wakhula kanjani wangena ejele waqala ne organization yabalingisi yayibizwa ngabanqobi.
Yeah.
So waphuma ke manje ejele sewusithathile isinqumo sokuthi into eyosindisa impilo yakho ukuthi ubhale istory ulingise izitorini and uthi kumina mhla uphuma ejele wenza isinqumo sokuthi angibuyi la.
Yeah.
Emva kalokho sakubona kuyizo ngakubona kugazi lami ngasebenza nawe kugazi lami awungitshele ngaleso sikhathi sempilo yakho la khona impilo yakho manje seyiguquka ke ususebenza ku TV.
No, life was good.
Yeah.
Ngachievile.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngizibone ngiachievile ukutransforma nje.
Yeah.
It was an achievement.
Yes.
Ngajabulisa ifamily yami kakhulu ngoba izo mayidlala besikithi sibhekelele lapho.
Yeah.
And then ugogo wami confirm ukuthi ayimfanami. Ijele indawo embi.
Yeah.
Mara for wena be right.
Yeah.
Ufunde okuningi soze uphinde uhlupheke or ubuyele emuva. Good, mara ngithi uyazi nama challenges. Uyasebenza for imali encane. I think I was the lowest paid actor kuyizo. Mara was the most famous. I was aware. Ngidlala igaming yaziyo mina. Bengazi ngiyaphi. So for mina izo boku isikhiya. Benganandaba nemali. Mara leyo mali encane leyo ngenza okukhulu mina ngayo.
Yeah.
Ngavula ibusiness, ngavula ibank account, ngathenga ifridge. Ngahlula abantu abaphatha ama 18,000 nama 25,000. Ngoba ngibuya kwelinye ilizwe.
Yeah.
Ngifunde ngokusurvive ngento encane and angibhekanga itikiti lomunye umuntu.
Yeah.
Ngibhekelami. So there was too much politics, too much hatred abanye abafile ngathi ngizobathathela umsebenzi mangifika industry sabanga ama voice in the music industry ngazondwa ngoba sifike ebantwini abantu bamemezela mina kakhulu
Yeah.
abanye ababamemezeli
Yeah.
and mina ngiphume ejele
Yeah.
and bengidlula nje escreen in 2 minutes but angithi ngisayinile ingihethile
Usayine
industry.
nawe.
Yeah, ingihethile ngakhala inyembezi. There was a time ngathi angisafuni umuntu ozongitshela ngokuacta la
Yeah.
nokucula ngizocabana naye. But ngingazi ukuthi i-curse or it's a gift. It keep on coming. Mangithi angisayifuni kulaba za khona ke manje.
Yeah.
I hated music wholeheartedly.
Yeah.
I remember ngikwatile ngafonela amanye amajida asethembisa bathi kune doctor bavulela istudio le doctor ithi maye ngabona mina iya approve
Yeah.
ngathi mina umusic angifuni umusic ukhohlakele
Yeah.
sengiyazondwa manje ngizondela ivoice yami
Yeah.
sometimes nginokuvuka ivoice yami ihambile
Yeah.
bayitshontshile bayoyisebenzisa bayathakatha nokuthakatha emusicini khona izinto kumele ngizenze and azihambisani nenkolo yami
Yes, yes.
kumele
yes.
ngibheme cocaine azange ngibhema ama drugs mina
Yeah.
so I rather be poor
Yeah.
than to be famous mara ngithengise umphefumulo wami
Yes, yes.
ngijikele uNkulunkulu
Yeah.
ngiyamsaba mina uNkulunkulu angifuni ukukhuluma manga
Yeah.
so those are challenges I was faced with but a luta continua I keep moving my first director bengafuni ngiye kuyizo something funny the person you meet you think nangu Jesu manje ngihlangane naye
Yeah.
uthola ukuthi hayi usathana lo muntu udiscuss ngobuso baka Jesu ngithi kanti umhlaba unjani
Yeah.
kanti ubani oyosilekelela thina emhlabeni then but I think the universe
Yeah.
in a script sayo
Yeah.
for wonke umuntu that's why bathi only the strongest survive so my week I ungagcina sodobha amaphepha or sokuphepha school bag
Yeah.
so don't sit roll ugqoka iplastic uhlala emabridgini but mina I believe in faith
Yeah.
my faith is very powerful
Yeah.
ngiyazi mangikhuluma so kona bazoba against sifuna ukumprovela le faith ukuthi thina singam overcome
Yeah.
abazamile
Yeah.
baningi
Yeah.
ngisayinile mina
Yeah.
dead or alive ukuthi ngiyoyenza into yami emhlabeni ngizoba yilo muntu engizalelwe ukuthi ngibe uye angeke ngenze intando yomunye umuntu ngizoyenza intando kaNkulunkulu
Ngikuzwile futhi noma ufika la ubona lesi studio esikusona wathi uyafisa ukuthi ngelinye ilanga ube ne-auditorium ezokwakhiwa uwe.
ngizoyakha
Yeah.
ngizoyakha
Yeah.
into eziningi ngiyazikhuluma before ngizenza mara ngithi kuna lesisho sokuthi don't speak what you're going to do
Yeah.
don't speak your dream show them
Yeah.
mina ezinye ngiyahluthuka ngikhulume ngithi yazi kusasa ngiyoyenza so
Yeah.
ngiyenze lento leyo
Usukukhombise kakhulu ukuba umnqobi empilweni yakho.
yeah
Unqobe izimo eziningi, wanqoba izitha eziningi, wanqoba nezitha zakho ezingeyena omunye umuntu ezayibhekene nawe.
yeah
Ngoba uma ngabe umuntu ekhule ebhekana nobunzima, kuba netrauma nendluzula ngenxa yendluzula akhule ngayo.
yeah ama nightmares
Yeah.
yeah
So mawufika ejele waqamba iqembu walibiza ngokuthi abanqobi.
yeah
So leli gama elithi ukunqoba liyazibonakalisa kaningi empilweni yakho. Izitha zakho kwa TV wayinqoba, izitha zakho kwa music wayinqoba. Eminyakeni embalwa edlule safunda emaphepheni
yeah
ukuthi uhlaselwe isifo esithize
yeah
esize saphoqa ukuthi unqunywe unyawo.
yeah
Abantu abaningi babeyitshethi kuphelile ngawe lapho uthi hayi yabona ke this time
yeah
hayi kuphelile ngaye.
yeah
But you are still standing. Usamile namanje.
ngiwes futhi
Yeah. Yini le ekuphusha kangaka yini uIsrael Matseke Zulu afuna ukuzibona eyiyo eyenza ukuthi noma ngabe yini impilo eyiphonsa kuye egcineni kube uyena oqhamuka ngaphezulu.
hayi mntaka baba angizazi nobani nami ya angazi nami ukuthi
iqhamuka le ntshisekelo yokuthi ufuna ukunqoba yonke into ngoba kukhona la ongathi uphokophele khona.
ibuya ngendlela engikhule ngayo.
Yeah.
I was deprived.
Yeah.
Ngivalelwe ngaphandle.
Yeah.
My story is very huge.
Yeah.
Mntaka baba bengijiva ngisasemncane.
Yeah.
Bengithi mangicela ukuyojiva estage bebangixosha. Bathi uzojiva one side.
Yeah.
Khumbula masifike ema-scoutsini. Bengihamba nama-cheese boy.
Yeah.
Sasa bamthengela a brand new uniform. Bamthengele ne-cuff, nama-flag, ne-cool bag, nama-sleeping bag. Thina basinika i-uniform ye-student za last year. Christmas, no chicken and rice. Asiye emazulu. Ugogo yasishaya next door party. Uzuye wena epartyini futhi uthanda izinto wena ngiyakwazi. Thola ukuthi nase next door icherry yami futhi leshaya neparty. Ngiyoshayewa blind for ukuthi ngiye lapho ngiyodla leyo jail and custard.
Yeah.
Endlini zithi papa nekhabishi.
Yeah.
So I'm a born hero.
Yeah.
In my belief. Yeah, all the heroes, they must go through tough time. Go read books. Go read about each and every successful people in the world, from Gomaponya, Abu Mtsipe,
Yeah.
Abu Ivan Khoza, Abu Kaiser Mtaung, Abu Obama, Abu Vladimir.
Yeah.
All the greatest.
Yeah.
Abu Shaka,
Badlule ebunzimeni.
Abu Hitler, Abu Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
All the greatest. uNkulunkulu babekela iscript sabo uyohlangana neimbila yithutha.
Yeah.
The storm always come to you, and when the mina sami storm masiza yabona linyawo alabe ngibalile ukuthi vele ngiyahamba emhlabeni.
Yeah.
End of the movie. Ngikhulile mntaka baba angifuni ukukutshela manga. Ungangiboni ungazwe ngikhuluma. I'm a happy man. I party like a rock star when I party. I party like there's no tomorrow.
Yeah.
But even when I cry,
Yeah.
hey, I cry heavy.
Yeah. Uyakhala?
Yeah, ngiyakhala mina. Ngizoyenzani?
Yeah.
Kubhlungu, akunamuntu ozongilapha, abo doctor bayahluleka, inyanga ziyahluleka, bayafika bayathandaza, ngathi kuba worse. So maybe if I cry, I'll relieve myself from pain.
Yeah.
Ngiyakhala ngikhalela uNkulunkulu ukuthi why usafarisa mina ungasafarisi loyana udubula abantu lo. Why ungasafarisi lo thengisa ama drugs? Why kusafara mina lo wakhe isizwe? Lo obeka isinkwa ematafuleni wemindeni ehluphekileyo. Ngithatha umntana odabukele mina, ngimgeze, acwebezele, sasa abe yisuperstar. Abanye bangikhulume kabi bathi udla imali yabantwana, usebenzisa abantwana bethu, mara kuyimi engisave lawo ma family. Namhlanje abantwana banama company, banama organization, ama superstar, babuya ama National School of Arts. Babhekelelwa eTV, yimi engenza lento leyo. Akusu magic. Yonke into yenziwa umuntu. So mangikhala ngisuke ngikhalela uNkulunkulu. Umntwana wami uhambile emhlabeni. Ngiyalahlekelwa mangilahlekelwa. So amandla ami yimbi sempini la emhlabeni. Angeke nginike izitha zami chance mina. Mele ngizithela induku.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mele zibe uncomfortable all the time. When they see me, they must be uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Angizalanga ukuzonesa ama feelings wabe emhlabeni.
Yeah.
Angithi bahluleka ukuzenzela bona.
Yes, yes.
Futhi ungangitshela ngomthakathi, umthakathi umsebenzi wakho ukubhekelela mina ukuthi ngenzani. Mina ngiyavuka ngiyasebenza mina. Ngisebenza ngalo lenyawo ngiyalidonsa ngiyaphambili. I-podcast siqala ngihamba ngama crashes. Israel Matseke Zulu podcast, Israel Matseke Zulu Foundation, Winner Media, Israel Academy and Solution, Profound Construction and Projects. Sinama company Streamline. I work like there's no tomorrow ngoba ngibonile ukuthi angikho superior, angikho special emhlabeni. Ungacabangi ukuthi wena uyingilozi la emhlabeni uspecial, umhlaba uzoloku unesana nawe la. Uzela ukuzondlula la emhlabeni. So you must leave a mark. You must live a legacy ukuthi this is how I want to be remembered. You make the impossible possible.
Yeah.
Ngenza lezi ezingayenzwa ke mina. Yeah, from prison to television.
Yeah.
Ngisazozenza angifuni as long mangivuka ekseni ngisalibona ilanga. Into yostopa leyo nto leyo. The day I will never wake up.
Yeah.
Mara umsebenzi engiwenzele emhlabeni ngeke bayivale leyo gap.
Yeah.
Angina replacement. Now awuna replacement. No one will ever replace one another.
Yeah.
You are alone in this journey. Akekho uma orange omunye angeke abe khona.
Yeah.
Guaranteed. Makumele abe khona mele ayojike Sun City. Mele inyawo lakhe lincamulwe. Andlule kuyonke lento engidlule kuyo. Kuze azoba nale strength lesenginazo.
Yeah.
So yabona ukuthi it's ridiculous.
Yeah.
So mina self motivation my brother.
Yeah.
Angikhohlwa la ngiphuma khona.
Yeah.
Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi konje bengiye esikoleni ngingagcoki icathulo. Esikolweni bengimntwana odla i-feeding scheme. Bengingabhadali school fees. Abangabhadalanga school fees ngapha nginumber 1 bese ngiya noma kubhadaliwe. Abangakheranga ngapha hayi ngilapho ke mina. Ngiseskimini salabo abangakheri. Mabahamba ngetrip nakithi angibatsheli. Wawunga ngesikolweni bahambile. Kuyafana ngizokutshela aninamali nina gogo. Imali ye-trip ile kumele uthenge ngayo ikhabishi.
Yeah.
Namawutwana. So ngikhetha ukuthi uthenge ukudla nokuthi mina ngihambe ngezwe.
Yeah.
First time ngiye Durban mina in my life I was chosen esikolweni.
Yeah.
Bengihlakaniphile mina esikolweni. And I was the youngest eklassini. Ngabona ukuthi your teacher uyokhetha mina.
Yeah.
That's how I know the ocean.
Yeah.
Intwana yami ubakhe bekamthatha ayena emadebeni ayena emabhaskop amthengela ama All Star amthengela ama Perigadina ama Calvin Klein. Mina bengingathengelwa mina. Bengigcoka ama sandals lawo wamaJuda lawo boMoses nabo Jesus. Ngoba ogogo bekasebenza emajudeni.
Yeah.
Bengishanga maybe 17 pair noma ngichenjile kuyafana ngeke ubone isendlile eyi1 nje. Angidina futhi mara ngizoyenzani?
Yikho umthanda kangaka uJesu awugqoka amasendles akhe.
Yeah, ngijude limnyama mina. Ngikhuliswa amaJuda.
Yeah.
So it's very important sizikhulume le story mfethu. Hayi ukuthi siyachoma kanjani. But I have an aunt wami was like an angel.
Yeah.
Mangingamcabanga ukuthi I wish aunt wami angeza namhlanje angivakashele bekeza. Ngiseklasini. Ngimtshinga ukuthi aunt wami uzoza namhlanje uzongizela ukudla angizele uSpider-Man nama-sweet. Azi njengengilosi.
Yeah.
Ata umntana kabhuti wami lo ngeke ngimikela hlupheke. So we must give credit where it's due.
Yeah.
Ngahlangana nobongani Linda naye saqhubeka iart yami yaqhubeka noma sibe nama differences.
Yeah.
Fika kubo Angus Gibson nabo bayenza kwayenzeka.
Yeah.
Up to date. So we give the credit where it belongs.
Yeah.
It's very important. Hayi ukuthi yonke into beyimbi
Yeah.
njengoba bengikhula ngihuzuka. I had great moments when I was a child.
Yeah.
I've enjoyed my childhood mina. Angifuni ukukhuluma manga. Ngi-enjoyile ukuba umntwana nginokubatshela labantwana bamanye ngithi ngani ngathi ani-enjoy nina. Ngathi nizalwe kabi abogogo bangasekho emhlabeni.
Yeah.
So even though there was pain, there was apartheid, besivalelwa ngaphandle, but there was joy. I was also a comrade. I was politically driven. I was a marshal mina. Bengina 11 years bengishaya ikhakhi, ngishaya iberet, ngumntana kaWinnie.
Yeah.
I was a young lion. Ngumntana kaKhrizani. Bengishaya islogan lapha e-stadium. So mangenza lokhu bukwenzeka. I had a belonging in politics. I had a belonging in gangster world. I had a belonging in sports. I had a belonging in arts. I had a belonging in entrepreneurship. So ngilodile ngisasemncane ngathi thi ngizifundisa into eningi ngizozidinga. Na enye advice yami. Yabona mawumntwana.
Yeah.
Ungazideny an opportunity to learn everything.
Yeah.
All sports.
Yeah.
All activities. phuma ekhwayeni uhamba ejimini phuma ejimini uyojiva phuma ekujiveni uye library yazi esingi actor manje ngidiscover ukuthi yonke lento engiyifundile engangisebenzelanga lesasikhathi ngihlangana nayo kuma script but can you play tennis
Yeah.
ngahlangana nefilm bafuna umuntu owazi tennis ngithi
Nayiland. Yeah.
ene bengiyi captain but uyakwazi ukujive ngithi kusho lezi zinto lezi bengiphekha
Yeah.
bengifaka ebhekini zingisebenzela at the later stage and at the right time la sesifuneka khona
Yeah.
so loader